in-house custom detailing. Servicing southern Indiana as well as Kentucky Lake Barkley, Louisville, and Rend Lake. We pride ourselves with offering the finest boat RV and auto detailing in the Midwest. Everything from full interior and exterior to a simple weekly wash and wax as well as buffing and polishing. We polish aluminum wheels on RVs and headlight restoration. For all your cosmetic needs, whether it's at the marina or campground or sitting in your backyard, we will come clean. Contact Maury at 812-664-2712.